You've had people say invest your money, but where exactly? Well, if you're a beginner to invest in, this investment banker got here. Today, I will show you exactly how I am investing 100,000 naira step by step in 4 Nigerian companies. So we are about to become stockholders in Zenith Bank, MTN, Presco, and Dangote Cement. Are you ready? I will share my screen and we are going to do it together. So whether you're a complete beginner or you are scared to start, this is for you. So far, you are going to watch to the end. You're not going to just understand how investing works, but you are going to leave here confident enough at becoming an investor yourself. It doesn't matter if you want to start your own with 10,000, 100,000, 10 million. And later in the video, I will tell you other investments aside from stocks you can explore as a beginner. If you are waiting for the first time, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market, but most importantly, the money cheerleader. If you're all about investing, side hustle, passive income, this is a side of YouTube where it's happening. We get amazing feedback from our community members. I can't wait to get your own feedback too. So let's dive in. What do you need first of all to invest in Nigerian stock market? So you need a brokerage account. It's basically an account where you do the transaction, buy or sell, right? Here in Nigeria, we have different platforms like the one most of us are familiar with, Afrinvest 2.0. It's owned by Afrinvest. There are other fintech platforms like the Bamboo, like the Trove, where you can buy Nigerian stock, even Trade. In fact, most of the brokers, most of the investment banks in Nigeria, many of them have their own platform. So what do you need to create a brokerage account? You need your KYC, know your customer document, your ID card, you need a utility bill or more of a proof of address. You need your passport picture, you can take a selfie and your signature, right? So when you provide all those things, another important thing you need is what we call CSCS, but you're not the one to create this CSCS yourself. It's something everyone needs in order to invest in the Nigerian market. But once you create an account with any of these platforms, they are the ones to generate it for you. Sometimes it takes like maybe 24 to 48 hours to be ready. So whether you're in Nigeria or in diaspora, wherever you are, so far you're in Nigeria and you have your Nigerian bank account and your BVN, you are able to provide your KYC and create your brokerage account. You are qualified to invest in the Nigerian stock market. And then I don't want to assume that everybody knows what stock investing is about. If you're an OG member of this community, you already know. But for the purpose of the newcomers to the community, welcome. So when we talk about investing in shares of companies, it just means you are buying a stake in this company. You automatically become a part owner when you invest in their shares, right? So what happens is that all the benefits or even loss, you're going to share in it. For instance, not long ago, we have so many companies, the UBA, the Fidelity Bank, the Zenith, First Bank, many of them were paying us dividend. We that invested in them. That is one way you make money. And then again, there is value appreciation. When we buy a stock, like the ones you want to buy now, take note of their prices so that when you come back in the future, you can always compare. That day, Jennifer, we bought this stock at this price. Now look at what it is at the moment. That is how you track, because many of them, we expect that their price will appreciate. How much do you need? Small money. For Nigerian stock, you just need 1 unit of the shares. Don't worry, we see that some of the shares are like 20 something naira, some are 100 and something naira, small money. So far you have money to buy just 1 unit, you are good to go. But for the purpose of this video, you are going to be spending 100,000 naira. That's like roughly 25k each on the 4 different stocks. So let's log into my app now and invest in this stock. Is there a particular company you would want me to invest in? Okay, let me know in the comment section. But for now, I'm going to do Zenith Bank, MTN, Presco, and Dangote Cement. Let's get right into it. Oh, but please, at this point, if you've not liked the video, could you please hit that thumbs up to like the video? It means so much to me and it helps to spread the video to more people. So for the purpose of this conversation, I'm going to be using Afrinvest 2.0. So when you log into the app, the first thing you see, come to the wallet to make sure you have money. If you do not have money, go to deposit. When you click on deposit, it sets the amount you want to invest. It's going to bring out an account number for you. Go ahead and fund the wallet and you are fine. Then come back and buy. So let's assume that you funded our wallet. Let's buy now. So on the app now, if you go to invest, under invest, you see the different instruments you can buy from it. There is a Nigerian stock, there is treasury bills, there is commercial paper. We've discussed some of this before in this community. So click on Nigerian stock where you have fine stock. We say we want to buy Zenith, a banking stock. Search for Zenith. Open it. At the moment it's selling for 48, almost 50 naira, right? So I will click, because I already have it, I'll just click buy again. Now you can see order type, limit order. Let me explain this briefly. There are two types of order types, limit order and market order. Limit order is like you quoting the price you want to buy at, whereas market order is just saying buy for me at the current market price. Most times personally I do market order, right? So I'm going to go to click on it to select market order. Limit period, because I'm doing market order, is even optional. It's even optional, but I can just do 30 days and move on. Now number of shares is at 15 naira. We want to spend about 25,000, right? If I select 1,000 units, woo, that's a lot of money. Oh, okay, let's do 500. Sure, you can see 500 is like 25,000 naira. I will click on buy Zenith. Of course, there are some charges they will take. Look at it, you will see some charges, the commission and all that. If I'm fine with it, I will click on buy now. Just a Zenith bank purchase in progress. It may take a few minutes to complete your order. We are done to Zenith. That is one. We have how much left? 75,000. Let's continue. So I will do done. Let's go again. Come back to invest. Nigerian stock. Let's search for MTN. This is MTN. Currently at 298. Jesus. Did anybody buy MTN when I mentioned it last year? Hey God, I remember that towards the end of last year, that kind of November, December, MTN dropped. It was like a 200 and something. Then it started to drop to like I think it dropped to 200, dropped to 180, 170. People are shouting, asking me, Jennifer, MTN is dropping, because I mentioned it a lot. What should they do? Me, I was buying more because I told them, I explained that this company is, if you believe it's a great company, you don't have to panic, because over time the price will still go back up. Now look at it, almost 300. Hey, anyway, let's buy. I'm going to click on buy again. Order type as usual, market order, period. I'll just choose anyone. Now number of units, if I select, let's say 100, it's above our amount to budget, so let me say 90 is still, let's say 85 units. Okay, 85 units is at 25,000 something. Amazing. I'll click on buy MTN. This is the details, including the service charge and commission on it. I will click on buy now. Another one, MTN purchase in progress. This is sorted. So 2 more to go. Let's go back to invest and then go to stock. We want to buy Presco. Okay, let's buy Presco and see, search for it. This is Presco PLC, right? So at the moment it's selling for 940. So in case if you don't know, Presco is a company, it's an agricultural company in agro, particularly palm oil. Palm oil is a big money. So let's go to buy again, because I already have some of it. Limit order, I change it to market order. Limit period, I select anyone. Then number of shares, the price plenty. So let's do, we have 25,000. Let's do 23 and see. Okay, let's do 25. Well, it's almost our price. I can come to 26 units. Okay, perfect. 26 units is going to give us about 24,000 something. That's fine. So I'm click on buy Presco. This is the details. Buy now. Successful. Another one in the bag. So 1 more to go. Done. So let's buy Dangote cement and we are done. If I go to stock, I'm going to search for Dangote cement. It's actually Dangsem. Search for it. Okay, look at it here. Dangsem at the moment is selling for 450 naira. So let's buy Dangsem. I'll click on buy again, select market order, limit period. I can choose like 30, and the number of shares. Let's say 100 is how much? Woo, that's a lot of money. Let's do 80. It's still a lot of money. Let's do 60. Hey, 60 is like 27,000. So I'll just do 55 units of Dangote cement. I'll click on buy Dang. If I'm fine, buy now. And Dangote cement purchase in progress. Congratulations to us. We are now investors in the top 4 companies in the Nigerian market. So let me even ask you, is investing in Nigerian stocks worth it? Some people will be like, Nigerian stock, we don't believe the Nigerian economy, this and that. Wait, let's look at data. For example, some of the stocks we bought now, let me show you something. For Presco, let me show you. Can you see what is on the screen? I bought Presco for the first time in January 17 when the price was 500 538. This is like maybe 5 months ago or thereabout. 538, and you can see right now Presco is at 950, almost double. The same thing with Zenith Bank. I remember the first time I bought this Zenith, that was 2022. I can't forget, because that day initially I wanted to buy when it was 19 naira. I don't know what happened. I think network was disturbing or something. I couldn't buy. Now I came back the next day, I saw it was 20 naira. I was so annoyed. The thing paid me. I bought it that, and share you can see this was July 27th in 2022. I bought it at 20 naira, 20.7, and right now it's selling at 50 naira, more than 100% of my money. I don't know about you. Yes, investing in stock comes with its own risk, because sometimes the price can go up and down, just like I told you in the case of MTN last year when it went down to like 170, 18. People were running, but look at it now, almost at 300 in less than 6 months or thereabout. So if you understand the risk and know that yes, regardless, if I'm investing in great companies, I don't have to panic. Trust me, you make a lot of money from stock, and you can't say you don't know how to now, because I have showed you just now. But if you need me to like work with you more closely and guide you not just on investing in stock, but in other investments like treasury bill, commercial paper, bond, not even only investment, teaching you how to invest for your children, how to create trust, your personal income statement, budget templates, all of this and more are what will serve you in our Wealth Builders Academy, the 3 weeks online program where we guide you to make sure you start all of this investing. I'm going to leave the link on the description, because the next cohort is starting in few weeks time, and you should definitely join us. So who knows, maybe in 1 year's time, next year, we're going to come back to this video and see these stocks we bought now. We put our 100k inside this first stock. How much is it going to be next year? Should we be expecting like 150k, or should we be expecting like 70,000 naira? Anything is possible, but let me know your takes in the comment section. And if you're interested in other videos, the other ones I mentioned about perfect for investing for beginners, treasury bills, bonds, and all that, I'll link it on the description. Go and watch them. But come to the comments, let me know which of the Nigerian stocks do you have, and which of them are you investing in next.